हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू नीट बडी। इन आवर डेली बायोलॉजी एमसीक्यू सीरीज हम 11th के सारे चैप्टर्स एक बार रिवाइज कर चुके हैं और आज से हम 12th के चैप्टर्स स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 12, दैट इज reproduction in organisms. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs helpful for your practice as well as revision. Practice is very important for the NEET exam guys. बस ये 10 MCQs नहीं, इसके अलावा भी आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा practice कीजिए for each and every subject. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the MCQs for today. Question number 1. In which of the following mammals estrus cycle is absent? In which of the following mammals estrus cycle is absent? Option A, cow. Option B, horse. Option C, monkey. Or option D, rabbit. The correct answer is option C. In monkeys, estrus cycle is not seen. Question 2. Which of the following organisms reproduce by transverse binary fission? Option A, Hydra. Option B, Amoeba. Option C, Trypanosoma. Or option D, Planaria. Which of the following organism reproduces by transverse binary fission? The correct answer is option D, that is Planaria reproduces by transverse binary fission. Question 3. Asexual reproductive structure of sponges is gemmules, conidia, bulb, or none of these. Asexual reproductive structure in sponges is. The correct answer is option A, gemmules. Question number 4. Which of the following is developed by parthenogenesis? Option A, drones. Option B, queen honeybee. Option C, worker honeybee. Or option D, both queen honeybee and worker honeybee. Which of the following is developed by parthenogenesis? The correct answer is option A, drones developed through parthenogenesis. Question 5. Dash is formed immediately after fertilization. Dash is formed immediately after fertilization. Option A, morula. Option B, blastula. Option C, zygote. Or option D, fetus. The correct answer is option C. Zygote is formed by the fusion of male and female gamete. Question 6. Process which results in formation of zygote is called as isogamy, anisogamy, triple fusion, or syngamy. Process in which zygote is formed is called as. The correct answer is option D. Syngamy refers to the process of formation of zygote by fusion of male and the female gamete. Question 7. Which of the following is not an asexual reproductive structure? Which of the following is not an asexual reproductive structure? Zoospores, pollen, buds, conidia. The correct answer is option B. Pollens are not an asexual reproductive structure. In fact, pollens are the male gametes for the reproduction in plants. Question 8. Parthenogenesis is development of organism directly from. Option A, female gametes. Option B, vegetative cells. Option C, fertilized ovum. Or option D, none of these. Parthenogenesis is development of an organism directly from. The correct answer is option A, female gametes. And again, what was the example of parthenogenesis we just discussed? Right. Drones and honeybee are example of parthenogenesis. Question 9. Which of the following organism reproduces by multiple fission? Option A, Euglena. Option B, Paramecium. Option C, Trypanosoma. Or option D, Plasmodium. Which of the following organism reproduces by multiple fission? The correct answer is option D, Plasmodium, which is the malarial parasite, reproduces by multiple fission. Question 10. Reproduction by lateral bud formation is seen in option A, Chlamydomonas, option B, Hydra, option C, yeast, or option D, amoeba. Reproduction by lateral bud formation is seen in. The correct answer is option B, that is Hydra shows reproduction by lateral bud formation. Question number 11. The second maturation division of the mammalian ovum occurs shortly after ovulation, before the ovum makes entry into the fallopian tube, until after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm, until the nucleus of sperm has fused with that of ovum in Graafian follicle following first maturation division. When does the second maturation division of mammalian ovum occurs? Correct answer is option B, until the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. Question number 12. Which one of the following is the correct matching of the event occurring during menstrual cycle? Proliferative phase, rapid regeneration of myometrium and maturation of Graafian follicle, development of corpus luteum, secretory phase and increased secretion of progesterone, menstruation, breakdown of myometrium and ovum not fertilized, ovulation, LH and FSH attain peak level and sharp fall in secretion of progesterone. Which one of following is correct matching of the events occurring during menstrual cycle? The correct answer is option 2. Development of corpus luteum corresponds to the secretory phase and there is increased secretion of progesterone. Question number 13. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as pregnancies terminated due to hormonal imbalance, pregnancies with genetic abnormalities, implantation of embryo at site other than uterus, implantation of defective embryo in the uterus. Ectopic pregnancy refers to. The correct answer is option C. It refers to implantation of embryo at site other than the uterus. Question number 14. Spermatogenesis is under the regulatory influence of spermatogenesis, ADH, FSH, LH, STH. Spermatogenesis is under the regulatory influence of. The correct answer is option B, FSH. Question number 15. Which hormone is secreted in a woman if pregnancy has occurred? Estrogen, progesterone, luteinizing hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin. Hormone secreted if pregnancy has occurred. The correct answer is option D, human chorionic gonadotropin. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very channel, this very time with another set of MCQs from the next chapter of class 12 NCERT biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.